Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. RBI suggests new rules on lending for infrastructure projects. Even though India's financial system has been doing pretty well lately, the RBI is keeping a close eye on things to make sure everything stays on track. They are suggesting some strict new rules to reduce the risks involved in big infrastructure projects. One rule is that banks will have to set aside more money as a safety net while the project is being built. Another rule is that if a project gets delayed and falls behind schedule, the banks might consider it as a bad loan. Some banks are worried that these new rules might make it harder for them to lend money for projects, which could slow down the development of important things like roads and buildings in India. RBI lifts restriction on Bank of Baroda's BOB World app. In our earlier newsletter, we had talked about how RBI had restricted Bank of Baroda to stop signing up new customers in October 2023 due to some regulatory concerns they had. Now, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has given Bank of Baroda the green light to start signing up customers again on its BOB World app. Bank of Baroda has since fixed those issues as directed by the RBI and said in a statement that the bank is dedicated to following and meeting all regulatory rules and guidelines. India needs to expand universal health coverage for aging population. According to a report, India lags behind other Asia-Pacific countries in providing health insurance for older people. Only 21% of older people in India have health insurance. However, initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, which offers cashless healthcare for the poorest, have helped improve health coverage since its launch. We have discussed in the last newsletter that to improve access to healthcare, the insurance regulator IRDAI recently removed the age limit of 65 years for buying health insurance policies. The aim is to create a more inclusive healthcare system and protect people from unexpected medical expenses. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.